Here we go back to Kev, and he's playing the touchdown. He's got his red odds onto 120 for 3 replays. To 3 in a line. He's wanting 17 and 15. This will give him 120 replays. But being total rubbish, sorry to say, he failed miserably. The numbers are 15, 16 and 17. He's to get past the first 2 lines. And now he's got a chance.
Right, there's 50 on there ready for somebody.
Whoa! And he's got 16 replays, folks. Look at this. 16. Hey, this is the face of a winner.
See, does that not move round?
And now you can see 2 players talking. Can they get more replays out of this one game? Well, apparently not, folks.
Oh, no balls left.
Oh! He's just said that Kevin's got no ball! We'd like to think, what does a winner look like if he could get 5 in a line? Well, 5 in a line. Look at that. Read 'em and weep on a green line. That is 96 replays. We hear it for the champion, and it's Kevin! Here we are, it's Bonfire night.
The fireworks are all
It's the bingo championship
of the known world.
Steve Shack with 341.
I think we'll call it a do at that.
Can. Here is the champion at 341.
340.
On the Golden Gate, we've got Dave X with, I can't see a number on there, so I suppose it's nothing.
So I've got a problem there. Do I take that down to 50?
Then we've got Kev
Take 50.
on the Bonfire Night Championships. How many replays, folks? 67. That's not a good start. Right, here we are, back at the can. Here's Steve Shack now.
Shacked.
Oh, and look at this. He has got 3 in orange, which gives him entitlement to play the OK game. He's now going to press to replay and see what happens. Whoa! The machine on steroids. He's now got a super game. Red face 64 for 3 in a line. ABCD card. Now can he make it pay? Look at the green. That's a bad start, folks. I don't like to put downers on things, but that's a worst. Second ball.
You'd be hard pushed to find worse now.
Yeah. It's coming down, it's coming down. Oh, it's ball return. He's got the pleasure of going backwards and forwards. The magic motor's doing well, and now we can have 2 in red. He needs 25, and this will give him 64 replays. Is this player good enough? Will his nerves stand the test of time? It's coming down, he's halfway. It's coming to the right side. Can he get 25? Yes, we have 64. Let's look at the face of a winner. Yes, all down to Carlsberg. Right, folks, we need to be serious now. 9 or 12 will give you 144 replays. The concentration now, very tense in here. 9 and 12. He only gets 1 chance at this. He's so close. Oh! He's got to fight. Get it back. No, he hasn't done it. But 64 is a good replay. We're looking for 3 in any gold section. 5, 8, 12 means we have won 96 replays.
Doesn't want to clock it up.
Here we go, here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, look at this then. 96 replays. Not bad for the first £6. Whoa! And there's the Capiona looking very sad.
It's got green and blue.
There we go, folks. 3 in a blue. Freedom and we. 3 in blue section scores 300. Oh yes. 3 in a blue. Yes.
Didn't even need to clear it.
Can the touchdown.
Green and blue, we like that.
Look, it must have made it took 2 extra balls.
3 dates.
Finish it. Oh, there you go. Top of the previous replays, 527. I'll cash them in now, Jim.
You want them cashed in? Okay, I'll give you the money.
Okay.